Asuntoskeittiö Komsio.
Yeah, today it's the 30th of September 2022. This Asuntoi Komsio stay steam, but what was the main address here?
I have to check.
Swedish and Finnish. Occupied night. Invest these 3% turbograms. It's like there are 3 addresses here. It's Hakakuja 2, Hakarina 2, and Hakarina 6.
Yeah, strange that
Strange.
4 buildings and 3 addresses, but
yeah.
Yes. But let's go inside. I will check it.
Yeah. But in 1964, it could be from the beginning of 1964. 60 years old in the next year, 2024, is going to be expected in the next year, 2023. I mean, 2024 is not yet the next year, but 2 years from now still. December is H11720, and Finnish finish inside as well.
Yeah.
So what was the main address?
Hakakuja 2.
Yeah, Hakakuja 2, Hakakuja 2, men det sticker stig. Deserves 2 rights. The cement in here.
Same here.
We have to turn the lights.
Pakivaiskutin. Maintained by Finland.
Strange. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's